had this customer call us, and they had AC problems and a coolant leak. Well, apparently they called Freightliner. Freightliner said, we'll get you in tomorrow. They said, we can't come in tomorrow. We're going to a race. We can't lose that much time. Freightliner said they couldn't do anything about it. So they called us. Told us the situation. Yeah, we'll get you in. We'll get you out. Working on the coolant leak right now. These boys over here getting the AC taken care of. We'll get these guys back on the road and get those race cars to Minnesota for the next race. Well, we recharged the AC. AC's good. Change the coolant hose. And the bunk was still not working, so on the plug over here. Give me for a second. The plug was all corroded. That's why the bunk wasn't working. Old Danny over here going to knock it out. We'll have these guys back on the road in another 30 minutes.